Folks, Phil here, formerly of Desperado 2, or D2 as we used to call the sailboat. Our new boat finally has a name. It's called My Oh My. So now I guess I'm Phil from a boat called My Oh My. Great song by Slade, like early 70s. I used to have posters of those guys on my bedroom walls in England when I was a kid. You know, that's what we did. So, you know, Slade and Queen and stuff like that, they were the bands I listened to. And in keeping with our song theme from all our other boats, like Desperado, Kinda Magic, and now My Oh My, it's fitting. My buddy Roy helped come up with that name. We are using a product called strataglass today. And as you can see, it's pretty clear, much clearer than the stuff I've used in the past, which came in a roll. I found there were about 4 different types of glass that were sort of as clear as this. One is called strataglass, which is right there, which is what I bought. Another one is called OC, which happened to be a little more expensive, but did not actually get better reviews. There was another product called Regolite or Regolite, and another product called Clear 2C. Both of those do not have the same UV and scratch resistant products as the OC and the strataglass do. Anyway, I decided to go with strataglass. I had to buy 3 sheets of it. I only did 2 for these 7 panels that I'm doing. But 3 was only a few, wasn't that much more, and that's all the wholesaler had in stock. So I'm taking these old panels that are absolutely shot. You can see the zippers are shot, are gone here. You can see all the missing teeth. Obviously the glass, this is actually one of the better ones. This one has a lot more glass than, look at it, just breaking off on me. My original plan was to use these outside edges again. When I started diving into them, this one isn't so bad, but that's just mold and dirt and stuff in there. It was just disgusting. So I bought some of this product. It's called Stamoid. It's, I don't know, Serge Ferrari or something like this. It's kind of a designer product. It seems to come off that way. I don't know. It's called Stamoid. Smooth on one side. It's got like a nice matte finish on the other. The matte is to go on the outside. And this is what I'm sewing. This is the second piece that I'm doing. My stitching is getting a little straighter. I kind of went a little bit too close to the edge on this one, but I can fix that later. But it's coming out quite nicely. Just to let you know, I did call around to try to get quotes on this. Most people didn't even want to look at it. They said they were backed up for at least a year. I was given numbers from $10,000 to $15,000 when they could do it. It was absolutely ridiculous, which is why I decided to do it myself. I bought a sewing machine. Fortunately, this area is ripe with old industrial sewing machines because used to have a big rag trade in the area that I live in Canada. Boots, shoes, even hats, for goodness sakes. I worked at a lot of them, so I know, as a mechanic, so I used to fix a lot of these machines, so this is no problem. Picked this one up for $350 Canadian. I don't know, it's about $230 American. I picked up the glass, all the other supplies, the thread. It's a $50 roll of thread. Some binding, zippers. This stuff here is like $50-some a yard, so it's not cheap stuff. And I'm into the project for about $2,000. So I don't move very quickly. I'm able to get about 1 piece of these small ones done a day. It takes me over an hour because what I have to do is I have to make all this trim. So what I do is I cut it out of the sheet here, and then I have to put the folds in it. And this stuff, because it's a rubbery plastic material, it's not like a regular cloth, it doesn't want to lay down very quickly. So I have to use basting tape to basically put that hem on there, put that fold, oh, look at me, put the fold on there, and then I fold it and then put it on appropriately. I think this was a scrap piece off the top there, to be honest with you. So that's what I'm doing. Strataglass seems to be great. Material seems to be fine. Since I'm not at the boat, I'm still working on my boat. So, you know, I would do this 365 if I could. Anyway, folks, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, ask me. I will, you know, if I can give you a hand, even sourcing this or any tips on anything that I have discovered. I am no professional. There's lots of videos online that'll teach you how to sew. I suggest watching them. You all be safe. Have a great day. Look after yourself and be safe. Bye-bye.